So my story starts here, at a simple bus stop. But on the 22nd of April 1993, about 10:30, this bus stop, somewhere that I actually knew very well, there was an incident that happened there that changed my life. Once you reach the peakhood of sort of adulthood, and then you start looking back over the times and the things, the experiences that you've had in your younger years, I can definitely guarantee you this. There will come a point where you'll realise that you need to say thank you. You need to appreciate or recognise the people that's helped you along your journey to get you where you got to. And for me, the most powerful thing that you all can do, as I said, when you get there, is to turn around and just say thank you.